How to add subtitles in BN. First of all, open the app on your device and select the project you want to edit. If you don't have a project yet, you can create a new one by importing your video clips. Once your project is open, look for the text icon with the plus button in the timeline and tap on it. You will see two options, text and SRT file. If you already have an SRT file for subtitles, simply tap on it, import it from the File app and select it from the File Manager. This will add the subtitles directly without needing to type them manually. But if you want to type the subtitles yourself, select the text option and choose a style from the available templates. A text box will appear. Now type in the words you want to display as subtitles. Next, customize the look of your subtitles by changing the font, color, size, position or background style to match your video. You can also drag the edges of the text box on the timeline to adjust when the subtitles appear and how long they stay on the screen. Most subtitles are placed at the bottom of the screen, but you can drag and move them anywhere you prefer. If your video has multiple dialogues or scenes, simply add more subtitle text boxes and align them with the audio. This way, your audience can easily follow along with the spoken words. If you make a mistake, just tap on the subtitle text to edit or delete it. BN makes it simple to manage and adjust subtitles so they fit perfectly with your video. Now you know how to add subtitles in BN. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.